we're back with another video. Today is all about the Tesla Model X Plaid. At Yahasan, we focus on providing high-end products and advanced technology for all Tesla models. After the Frunk upgrade, Tesla owners will not need to use strength to press down on the hood to close. To open and close are controlled by the Tesla app from the phone, screen, and also key fob. We use Dr.Tesla brand. It's currently one of the best Frunk systems in the market and is only professionally installed and serviced by our team Yahasan. The screen is very convenient to open and close the Frunk. In any scenario, if need to grab something from the Frunk or take out something from the Frunk, use the screen inside the car. And if you plan to go back inside your car to close the Frunk before you head out somewhere, that is very convenient, especially during rainy days. To close the Frunk, you don't need to press down and get your hands wet anymore. Reason why Tesla owners don't use the Frunk often: because it requires human strength, time, and effort to open and close, and also that it limits to persons of height. Now Tesla owners can walk away while closing their Frunk. The performance of our Frunk system is very smooth and soft closing.
There's a button inside too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The button inside the bin is an emergency release button. Now it's also a button to close. If an object hits the button when the owner is driving, the hood will not unlatch to open. For the new Tesla Model X, we added a new safety function. This function is something is in the air. The hood will rise.
Open the front trunk. Oh.
Yeah, it's very convenient.
Just in case.
Let's go over the parts. So we have the adapter. The adapter is plug and play. We just add our harness. We mounted our controller box. We placed the struts connected to the small battery. Also, the suction unit is there. The emergency pull rope is a feature that can unlatch the hood. Only under conditions if the lock unit is stuck or not working. 99.99% of our clients never get a chance to use that feature. We also added a trunk foot sensor to this Tesla Model X Plaid. When your car is unlocked, just sweep your foot and it will open. Then close using the button. That's all for this video. We hope that you enjoy watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel Yahasan. We will be uploading more helpful contents for your Tesla model and year with many cool Tesla upgrade products. Feel free to leave a comment. Our headquarters location for service is at Fremont, California. If you make an appointment directly from our website, make sure that you're coming to Fremont, California for your installation. For any inquiries, please visit our website www.yahasan.us. If we are unable to answer your phone call at the moment, please text to 408-883-1999. If you'd like to request for a quote, your quote will be based on parts, labor, sales tax, cost for mobile service. If you don't need mobile service, you can have it installed at our headquarters location. Our team often travels. If meet at selected supercharger locations, we will not charge any mobile service. If you have friends, family, or neighbors with Teslas, get them together to do it on the same day to get reward discount. For any additional details about the group rewards, please visit our website and select group rewards. And lastly, if you're in a Tesla's Owners Club, ask your leaders to reach out to us. For any other additional information, please look at the description. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you next time.